Hey guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you guys a great card trick to perform on your friends to make them look like fools. So the idea is pretty simple. So I'm going to take a normal deck of playing cards. It can be shuffled by the spectator just like that. You can show that the cards are all different. They can give it a shuffle just like that. A random card can be selected. Let's say this card. I'm going to show it to you guys. I'm not going to take a look at it. Just like that. I'm going to place it in the middle. Just like that. And I'm going to give the deck some few cuts. Just to make sure your card is pretty lost inside the center of the pack. Just like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the cards inside the box, as you can see, just like that, as you can see, just like that. So now I'm going to place this thing right over here. I'm going to place it on top of the card case, just like that. I'm going to stick in my right hand, just like that. I'm going to use only one hand, and I'm going to grab one card, and hopefully that card will be your selection. And as you can see, one card, and it's your card, the one and only, the Queen of Spades. And as you can see, the card case is still closed, as you saw earlier. So I hope you enjoyed that performance. So for this trick, you can use a borrowed deck, but it is a normal deck of playing cards. There's absolutely nothing suspicious about it. You can show it to the spectator. All the cards are different. So for this trick, you're going to need a card case, a deck of course, and then you're going to need like an object to cover up the card case, or you can also use a tissue. It really doesn't matter, but make sure the object is covering the card case. So first you can shuffle up the deck, just like that. The spectator can also shuffle up the deck, it really doesn't matter. A random card is going to be selected by the spectator, just like that. You can show it to the spectator, in this case the Ace of Spades. You're going to put it in the middle, and of course you're going to control it to the top of the deck, just like that. You're going to hold the break, and then you transfer the thumb break into a pinky break, and then you're going to cut the cards and control the card to the top of the deck. After you have controlled the card to the top of the deck, you're going to place the cards inside the card case, just like that. You can show that it's empty, just like so. That so here is the secret. So what you're going to do is you're going to separate the first card, the selected card. You're going to separate it from the rest of the deck, just like that, and then you're going to place this thing in between, just like that. So you're going to act normally like you're closing the card case, but actually you're separating the first card from the rest of the deck, just like that. You can show that the card case is closed. Then you're going to take your object, just like that. You can place it over the card case, just like that, and then you're going to stick in your hand, and you're just going to take out that card and reveal that it is their card, the Ace of Spades, and their minds will be blown. And then you can also show that the card case is closed, as you saw at the beginning of this trick, or during while you perform this trick. And guys, that is going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to go and practice this card trick and perform it at school. You will be really feeling like a genius, so make sure you do that. And guys, if you aren't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you want to check out my previous video, it will be right over here. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys.